Right, so finally parked up, doing our little trek to the waterfall now. Obviously with all these kind of areas you end up having to walk through like farmland and agricultural places. I mean, look at where we're walking. Yeah, eventually we'll get to this spot. I don't think I've ever actually been here before on any of my other travels to Mauritius, but yeah, looking forward to it. Hopefully not as many people here as there was at the last one I went to. Right, so finally arrived to Cascade Mamzelle. As you can see, top of the waterfall. And yeah, the water is a bit dirty coloured because it's kind of very small, but like shallow is the word. Yeah, but you know what, it's a nice other area to come to. Normally it's very quiet and desolate, but people enjoy themselves. I mean, look, my uncle's chilling, sitting in that fresh, cool water. He's enjoying life, he is. Absolutely. I think I might have to join him because I'm that hot. I mean, sweating buckets, hair's all gone frizzy. Yeah. Alright, finally scaled down that cliff edge, so that you can see it behind me. I was back there all the way up is where we climbed down. Down to the bottom now.
Cascade Mamzelle.
Yeah, this is Cascade Mamzelle.
Translate to lady waterfall.
Lady waterfall. I said woman. I said woman waterfall, but yeah. But see that guy over there? That's my uncle. Yeah, I'm joining him soon. He's Zane. You know them, man. Right, yes, so that was Cascade Mamzelle. I mean, fucking mosquitoes. Yeah, so obviously another place ticked off the box, off the list of places to come to Mauritius. I don't think I'm going to get enough time to actually go to every place that I want to, but yeah, I mean, show you what I can this time around. I mean, I can come here for the next 3, 4, even 5 times. I don't think I'll be able to cover everything that this beautiful island has to offer. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll be on to the next one. We've got plenty more vlogs coming. We've still got the vlogs to do about Closel, where my family are from, where my mum's side of the family are from, Cordon, which is the waterfront in Port Louis, which is the capital. Yeah, so keep in touch. Peace.